Hi guys, good afternoon. Today I'm going to crochet another hat and I'm going to use this yarn, Pound of Love by Lion brand here, and this is a number 4 medium, and I'm going to use the combination of black, same brand, by Lion brand here, and also it's a Pound of Love and number 4 medium. And for the hook, I am going to use size I 5.5mm crochet hook. Let me put this down a little bit. Okay, now we are going to begin with the red color yarn. Make a magic ring, wrap around yarn on your finger twice, 1, 2, and remove the ring, and into the ring we are going to make 12 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. This is counted as first double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, I have 12 double crochet including the beginning chain 3. Now we are going to close the ring. We have 2 strands. One is in the inside, one is in the outside. The one from the inside, pull that halfway from left to the right, like that. And then we're going to pull this tail, pull it nice and tight. Okay, now the ring is secured. And for the joining, we are going to join the black color yarn. So we are going to slip hook into the third chain of the beginning chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Slip hook there, and then drop the red yarn and pick up the black yarn. Okay, then join the black yarn like that and make a chain of 3. This is counted as first double, and into the same stitch we are going to leave the red yarn behind. Into the same stitch as joining, make 1 double crochet and make 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and go ahead and continue working 2 double crochet into each stitches around. To tighten this a little bit, just pull the red yarn like that and continue making 2 double crochet into each stitches around, and I will meet you for the joining. Alright guys, I finished my round and I have 24 double crochet around. Now we are going to join the red yarn again. Insert hook on top of the beginning chain 3, and then drop the black yarn and pick up the red yarn here and make a chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and into the next stitch we are going to make 2 double crochet. 1, 2, and make 1 double crochet into the next, and 2 double crochet into the next. 1, 2, 1 double crochet into the next, and 2 double crochet into the next. 1 and 2. Now repeat this pattern around. Make 1 double crochet into the next stitch and 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet into the next stitch and 2 double crochet into the next. Repeat this pattern around guys, and I will meet you for the next round. I finished my round 3 guys, and I have 36 double crochet around. And I'd like to tell you that sometimes this is loosening, so what I'm going to do is just pull the black yarn a little bit like that to tighten up. Okay, now it looks better. And now we are going to join the black yarn again, slip hook into the third chain of the beginning chain 3, and then drop the red yarn and pick up the black yarn. Pull through and then make a chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. We're going to leave the red yarn behind again like before. Okay, and continue working with the black yarn. Now into the next stitch, make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and then 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then 2 double crochet into the next, 1, 2, 1 double crochet into each of the next 2, 1, 2, and then 2 double crochet into the next. Okay, now repeat this pattern around again. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, and then 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into each of the next 2, 2 double crochet into the next. Repeat it around and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round 4, guys, and I have the total of 48 double crochet around, and this is loosening again, so I'm going to pull the red yarn a little bit to tighten up. Okay, now we are going to join the red yarn again, slip hook on top of the beginning chain 3, and then drop the black yarn, pick up the red yarn and pull through and make a chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 double, 1, 2, and make 2 double crochet into the next, 1, 2, 1 double crochet into each of the next 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 double crochet into the next, 1, 2. Okay, now I want you to go ahead and finish your round 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, finish your round 5, repeating this pattern around, making 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 stitches and 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into each of the next 3, and then 2 double crochet into the next. So repeat this pattern around and I will meet you for the joining. Okay, guys, I finished my round 5 and I have the total of 60 double crochet around. And if you notice that this joining here is loosened, just pull the black yarn a little bit like that to tighten up, and also the red yarn whenever you finish each round. And now we're going to join the black yarn again, insert hook on top of the chain 3, and then pick up the black yarn and pull through, then make a chain 3. We are now at round 6. Okay, we're going to make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 stitches here. 1, 2, 3. Make 1 double crochet into each of those. Okay, and then make 2 double crochet into the next, then 1 double crochet into each of the next 4, like that. Is it dark? Should be okay. And then 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into each of the next 4, and then 2 double crochet into the next. Now go ahead and repeat this pattern around again. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into each of the next 4, 1 2 3 4, and 2 double crochet into the next. Repeat that pattern around and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round 6, guys, and I have the total of 72 double crochet around. Now we are going to start for the round 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, we are now at the round 7. Insert hook on top of the beginning chain 3, drop the black yarn, and then grab the red yarn and pull through and make a chain 3. Now we are going to make 1 double crochet into the next, and we are going to continue working 1 double crochet into each stitches around. Go ahead, guys, and finish your 1 double crochet around and I will meet you for the next round. Alright, I finished my round 7, guys, and I have the total of 72 double crochet around. And now we are going to slip hook on top of the beginning chain 3 again, and drop the red yarn, pick up the black yarn, and we are going to pull through like that. Now for the round 8, make a chain 3, and then we are going to work 1 double crochet into each stitches around with a total of 72 double crochet. Go ahead, guys, and finish your 1 double crochet around and I will meet you for the joining. Okay, guys, I finished my round 8. I have the total of 72 double crochet around, and I join it like before, grabbing the red yarn up. Okay, for the round 9 until round 13, I want you to repeat this round 7 and 8 alternate colors. Okay, repeat round 7 and 8 from round 9 until round 13, and I will meet you for the next round. Okay, guys, I finished my remaining rounds, and I have 13 rounds from the top down to the bottom. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. I have 13 rounds, and now I join it with slip stitch here on top of the beginning chain 3, and I'm going to lock the red yarn here, cut it, and we are going to continue working with a black yarn. Okay, insert hook into the same stitch as joining, and then pick up the black yarn, pull up, and then make a chain 1 and make 1 single crochet into the same stitch. 1. And now we are going to continue working 1 single crochet into each stitches around. Go ahead, guys, and finish your round making 1 single crochet around, and I will meet you for the joining. Alright, I finished my single crochet around, and I have the total of 72 single crochet. And now let's join it with slip stitch into the beginning single, and then make a chain 2 and make half double crochet into the next stitch, and then half double crochet into the next, half double crochet into the next, now go ahead and continue working 1 half double crochet into each stitches around, and when you finish you should have 72 half double crochet. Okay, go ahead, guys, and finish your round, and I will meet you for the joining. Okay, guys, I finished my round, and I join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. Now for the round 3 of the brim, make a chain 2, and then into the next stitch we are going to make 1 front post half double crochet. and then into the around the next half double crochet, make one back post half double, and then front post half double crochet around the next, back post half double crochet around the next, and then front post half around the next, back post half double crochet around the next, and then front post half double crochet around the next, then back post half, front post half, and back post half. Okay, now I want you to go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Make one front post half double crochet around the next half double, and then back post, front post, back post, front post, back post. Repeat this pattern around. Make front post and back post alternately, and I will join you for the joining. I finished my round, guys, and my last stitch is front post half double crochet. Now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2 again. Okay, now for the next round, for the round 4 of the brim, make a chain 2, and then make one front post half double crochet around the next front post, then back post half double crochet around the next back post, front post half around the next, back post half around the next back post, front post half double crochet around the next, back post half double crochet around the next. Now go ahead and repeat this pattern around, making front post, back post, front post, back post, front post, back post, half double crochet around. Go ahead, guys, finish your round repeating this pattern, and I will meet you for the joining. Okay, guys, I finished my last round. My last stitch is front post half double crochet, and I join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. I close my work and cut the yarn. I have 2 tail to wave, one here and one from the beginning over here, so don't forget to wave that. And this measures 8.5 inches long from the top, from the beginning down to the brim here. Okay, 8 inches long from the top to the brim, and it has the circumference of 20 to 22 inches, which is fits from medium to large adult. Okay, if you want the 8 inches long, guys, you can reduce one round for the body and then continue working for the brim. All right, this is 8.5, so if you want the 8 inches, reduce one round here and continue for the brim. Okay, guys. All right, we finished another project. Thank you for watching, and thank you for crocheting along with me. If you have questions, just leave a comment down, and I will try to respond as soon as I can. Thank you so much, guys. And if you are not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And also thank you for liking and sharing my videos, and see you again for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.